So hello students, in this video we will be studying about state human right commissions. So in the previous video I have explained about the National Human Right Commission. So in this we'll study what is State Human Right Commission. Okay, a state government may constitute a body known as the Human Right Commissions of the state to exercise the powers conferred upon and to perform the various functions assigned to state commission. Okay, means a state should constitute a body which is known as human right commissions. Means why they open a human right commission means to perform the various exercise and to perform the various powers which is assigned to every state commission, that is called as state human right commissions. At present we have 20 states there is human right commission. Means in 28 states there are human right commissions. In Karnataka is also there are state human right commissions. In Karnataka it was established on 28 June in the year 2005. The question may arise, when was a state human rights commission was established in Karnataka? In Karnataka it was established on 28 June 2005, and the present chairman of the commission of Karnataka is Dhirendra Hirelal Waghela is the present commission of Karnataka State Human Rights Commissions. Okay, next comes composition. Means who are the members involved in state human rights commissions. Okay, first it will be has a chairman. First there will be head of state human rights commissions. There will be a one head. Apart from that, two members will be appointed. Okay, the chairman should be retired chief justice judge of or chief justice of high court. Okay, the chairman should be retired chief justice of high court, and the other members means the other two members should be serve or the retired judge of high court or as well as district judge with 7 years experience. And these two members person should be have a knowledge or practical experience in the field of human right commission. Next, the chairman and members of the state human right commissions are appointed by the governor. Okay, in NHRC the chairperson and other members are appointed by the president. Okay, in state human right commissions this chairman or chairperson or the two members are appointed by the governor through the recommendation of a certain committee. Okay, governor will appoint with certain recommendation of committee. The committee may be the chief minister, the home minister, as well as the leader of opposition party in legislative council, as well as legislative assembly, as well as the speaker of legislative assembly and the chairman of legislative council. These are the recommendation committee who recommends to the governor to appoint these chairpersons and the other two members. Okay, removal means if a chairman and the other members are appointed, for them we can remove also. How we can remove means a removal is done by president, not by governor. Okay, appoint will done by governor, but the removal procedure is done by the president. How means suppose if he has a bankruptcy or if he is a unsound mind, means if he has a unsound mind, or if maybe have sentenced to imprisonment of his, or if he has a crime member or a certain engage in paid employment, means from this we can remove the chairperson and the other two members. As well as he can also be removed means if we have done any misbehavior in capacity of Supreme Court inquiry finds him guilty, they can resign by writing to the governor. Okay, if you had done any misbehavior means Supreme Court finds him guilty and he can give a resign letter to the governor. Next comes what are the powers and functions the state human rights commissions they have. The first power is the commission has a power of civil court. What are the civil court has a power? Same powers the state human rights commissions they have, and they can concognize a case if received within 1 year of occurrence. If they can received a case within 1 year of occurrence. Next, it can recommended compensation of victim, prosecution of accused, but such recommendations are binding. Next, it submits special or annual reports to the state legislature along with action taken on their recommendations and the reason for non-acceptance. Advice means it submits annual reports to the state legislator, means what actions he have taken and the reasons for advice. Okay.